If OneNote is showing error 0xe00009c8 Bb0ur, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a sync issue, a stale sign-in token, or a corrupted local cache, and you can usually fix it without reinstalling the app. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to get OneNote working again. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last step clears the local cache that often keeps the error coming back. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the sync check. Open OneNote on your desktop, then click File and choose View Sync Status. This will show you the notebooks that are currently syncing and any that are having trouble. Look for the notebook that is showing the 0xe00009c8 Bb0ur message. Once you find it, click Sync Now next to that notebook. This forces OneNote to manually check in with Microsoft servers and pick up any background changes that may not have loaded correctly. After clicking Sync Now, keep OneNote open for a few minutes. Sometimes the app needs a little time to recompile the notebook layout and refresh the sync state, especially if Microsoft recently pushed a server-side patch in the background. If the error is still there after syncing, the next step is to refresh your account sign-in. Click File, then go to Account. Under User Information, you should see your current signed-in profile. Choose Sign Out from all active email profiles. This step is important because it clears out any outdated authentication data that OneNote may be using. After signing out, fully close all Microsoft Office applications on your computer, including Word, Excel, and Outlook. Don't leave any Office app open in the background because they can keep old credentials cached. Once everything is closed, reopen OneNote and sign back in with the same Microsoft account you use for your notebooks. This forces Microsoft to issue a fresh cloud token, which can often fix sync and authentication errors like this one. If the problem still hasn't cleared, we're going to remove the local cache. This is often the step that finally resolves the issue when the error keeps reappearing. First, fully close OneNote again, then press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Paste in %localappdata /Microsoft/OneNote and press Enter. This will take you directly to OneNote's local data folder. Open the folder for your current version, which is usually 16.0. Inside that folder, look for a file named cache. Once you find it, delete that cache file. Don't worry, this does not delete your cloud notebooks. It only removes the local cache data so OneNote can rebuild it cleanly the next time it starts. After deleting the cache, reopen OneNote and let it sign in and resync. In many cases, this fresh start is enough to clear the 0xe00009c8 Bb0ur error completely. If your notebook is still syncing slowly, give it a few more minutes and let the app finish rebuilding everything in the background. So, to quickly recap, first force a manual sync, then sign out and sign back in to refresh your account token, and finally delete the local cache if needed. That combination fixes most OneNote error 0xe00009c8 Bb0ur cases without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video saved you time, please tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.